Hey guys, welcome to Hobbies and Craft. And today's project is another field resin project. Oh, I don't know. This particular one is the fact that I bought a low quality resin at an expensive rate. Resin is quite expensive here, and now buying a low quality that won't deliver, it's very very sad. Like, it's a waste of money, and money is quite scarce. Okay, so I use this resin, and in like 10 minutes it hardened. Like, it got heated up. It was like 100 degrees centigrade. The temperature was high, and it was hardening in few minutes while working with it. And I still had, because what the first one I poured wasn't enough, I had to make another one. Then making another one, by the time I poured it on the other first one, it was boiling like a volcano. Like, I poured something on top of a hot volcano, and it was boiling and smoky at the same time. The smoke was coming out. I don't know if people have experienced it before. The smoke was literally coming out. And before I could say Jack Robinson, that adding up and all, and it came out bad. And this is really a waste of another money, another resources, another time, and all that. I've had a series of fails in the past that I don't even share. I just dump the results somewhere or something. But this, I just say, let me share it. Let me share all the challenges we face as resin artists, because it's so bad that you buy resin at an expensive rate and you're still getting low quality again. I've always loved deep pour, but even getting a deep pour resin is quite expensive. Like, if I have to order from Amazon, the cost of ordering and the cost of delivering is quite high, so I cannot even order. So I'm even trying to experiment with the normal resin, and it's even giving me, the resin became bad. It's not even a good resin at all. Like, you can't even work with it for 20 minutes and it's already smoky. It's already very hot and smoky. I think it's so sad. It's sad. I got really really upset because of this project. Like, it's a total waste of money. Money is, I use the money to do something else. Like, I ranted for a long time, like, before I could get over it. But I just decided to share it so that it's not all rosy all the time. Like, sometimes money just go wasted. Project go it goes wrong sometimes. It goes wrong sometimes. And be wondering, like, what happened? What did I do wrong? Like, I didn't do anything wrong. It was just the elements, the materials that went wrong, and it came out bad. So I hope you enjoyed the process all the same. I still like the color that I used, everything, except the fact that it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out, because it was a bad resin. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and do share with your loved ones. Thank you. Subscription is quite free. It's free for everybody. Just a click away. Thank you so much for watching this video.